Greetings from Proficient Refinishing. Today, we're going to address a common issue in the world of home improvement: cracked fiberglass bathtubs. Now, don't panic. A cracked fiberglass bathtub isn't always a major issue. It's important to remember that these cracks can be easily repaired by a professional. The first step is to identify the type of crack in your bathtub. Is it a hairline crack, a stress crack, or a delamination? Understanding the type of crack will help you in selecting the right repair method, depending on the severity of the damage. Remember, a cracked fiberglass bathtub is not an emergency, but it does require attention and action to avoid further damage and potential water leakage issues. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching, and until next time,